Hi, this is Ann Benson, and I'd like to show you a simple and interesting method for edging bead embroidery pieces in which small beads are wrapped around an edge to join the backing and front together. This rolled edging is great for dimensional beaded objects, especially purses, because it's very strong. It's essentially a whip stitch with beads. You simply wrap a length of beads around the area to be covered or joined. Each wrap is adjacent to the previous one. The number of beads in each stitch will depend on the size of your beads and the width of your edge. The smaller the beads, or the deeper you wrap, the more beads you'll need for each pass. Wrap the beads around the edge before inserting the needle to check the fit. Add or subtract as needed. Basting the front and backing together along the edge makes this process easier. And if you're using a specific color of beads, you can color the non-woven with a permanent marker to eliminate show-through. Use a double thread and a size 12 Glover's needle or a sharp-pointed size 13 beading needle. Czech 13-0 beads and Japanese 15-0 beads are great for this technique. For an average 7-inch bracelet, you'll need maybe 6 grams of beads. Around curves or corners, fan the stitches. Work shorter stitches in between longer ones for good coverage. You can end threads and start new threads within the edge under the beads. Stitch back and forth a couple of times to secure the thread. And that's it. Very easy, very effective, especially in designs with some texture. This is Ann Benson. Thanks for joining me, and please join me again soon.